There it is running. So it runs pretty good. For $100, you know, you can't beat it. This is Power Brand Garage, and this is my YFZ600R. It's a 2006 model. Paid $100 for it. Did nothing. Got this motor running. Get your motor running. Looking for a big job. Where can I run? Shut up! What's that? Can't sing or anything because you're playing with him. So, can't do that. So now we're going to drop the swing arm and we got to figure out how to set this thing on the ground. The only way I see that happening is if we take this exhaust off. That way I can set it flat and I ain't got to worry about the exhaust bending or breaking an exhaust manifold. I tried to leave the exhaust on and drop it on a tire. I'm just going to have to unhook the wiring harness, drop it down, take the swing arm off, and then we pull the frame off the top of it. After 3 days of working on this, reading that dang wiring diagram, and watching Utah and Bubs over there on my phone, I've finally got it to spark. Oh wait, here's another one. I got hooked up, sparking off the wire. Yeah. That's the spark. Scared the shiznits out of my dog. Alright guys, so I got most of this, the wiring figured out. I have my starter switch wired up right here, and just a couple switches I had laying around. Here's a kill switch just in case. Don't really need that because I ain't got no gas tank, but it's just in case it revs up and it's about to blow up or something, you know. My starter switch, batteries down here, it's all hooked up. Then we got a jumble of wires, some of the stuff, the horn works, the light up here works, the turn signals aren't hooked up, which, who cares? I got what I wanted hooked up, so. The horn was just funny, so I wanted to see if I could get it to work. But I'll show you all that it runs here. So here's our gas. We're gonna put this into our carburetor, maybe spill it over everything. Close. It runs pretty good for $100. Not bad. It's all smoky in here because I've been running 2-stroke gas in it for the past couple days just to make sure it's all lubed up. Look how much it smoked in here. So let me go open this door, let all the smoke out, and we'll go over and see what we need to do to drop this motor. So to get this motor off, we get these bolts up here holding it on the head. We got the swing arm bolt right there, and we got a bolt right there, and I believe that might be it. I don't think there's nothing under it. Yeah, just exhaust. So we got 2, 4, 6 bolts we gotta take out, and then it should fall. Hammer. 2 hours ago. Bye-bye. Say, way too heavy to be following. Look at this axle bolt, son. That thing's huge. Look how long that thing is.
That's what she said. That's quite big. Impressive.
It's gotta be a good, let's see here, about foot, 4 inches something. It's gotta be like 15, 16 inches. Oh, so 14 inches. Still pretty big though. So now we got that out. We're gonna pop that chain over and then pull that wheel out, hopefully. I don't think nothing else is holding it on there, but we'll see. Now that's out, y'all can take a gander at this. Look at that rim. I would hate to be in that wreck. Look at that. I think it was jacked up. I don't even know. I guess the other part of the rim is somewhere embedded in the road or something. I think it's jacked up though. Look at that. Ain't that funny?
Look at this. Look at that.
Yes.
Yeah. Look at this.
Went over and tried to
Look at that. Look at that.
Get from behind
Look at that.
and you can't do it.
Oh, look at this. Look at that.
Yeah,
look
see,
at this.
And if you tell that to the
Look
cops,
at that.
they're not going to give you any consideration.
Oh, look at that.
Put the dirt bike tire on it so I can roll it around. Drive it like that. Maybe.
On road got left, in roads got right. That means 1, 8, 5, 7 left, 2.
So my camera shut off while I was pulled that off. Yeah, dude. Alright, take a look at that. Look at how bent those are. That's a gnarly wreck, son. This stuff has gotta be hard to bend. I'm sacrificing a piece of this galvanized pipe that I had sitting over here. I'm gonna cut it just the right length to hold that, or hold where the fork's set up while I let it down. So we're just gonna cut it to length. Anybody that does any kind of metal work needs to get one of these. It's awesome. Either one of these or the little portable bandsaw or something. Cause this makes cutting stuff so much easier. This thing is effortless. You just clamp something down and walk away and it'll cut it. It might take forever. Cause right now you can put your hand, you can put weight on it and make it go faster. But that's also gonna dull your blade. But you can walk off and leave it. And I'm telling you, it'll eventually cut through it. So we're just gonna leave this. And we'll sit back and relax for a while until it's done. And then we'll set it up under this bike. And we'll get to it. Look, it's already been dropped a couple times. It's got a couple dings in it. I just know fabricating a header would be a pain in the butt for this to make it run into one, and that's already 4 pipes running into one. So I kind of want to save that header. It'll make it a whole lot easier. Alright, you guys watch that. I'm gonna go chill. Tell me when it's done. I'm cool, guys. I for sure thought that was gonna break off. It worked. My trusty hammer. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Alright. Now that we got that. I hit it just far enough with the hammer that it went inside the frame and like that much was sticking out, and I just pulled it out. It looks fairly good and lubed, but that's crazy. I can't believe it came out that easy. So I ain't got a 5mm Allen wrench, or I do have a 5mm Allen wrench, but I haven't got one that I lost a little these kind of bits that I use for my drill. I used to have a 5mm that went into those, and I've lost it. I don't know where it went. So I have these Allen wrenches, and I cut one in half, and got this old socket. I'm just gonna press this into this and make my own little socket adapter. That way I can take this clutch cover off the YFZ600 a little bit easier. I gotta go over with a little hand Allen wrench and take all those bubbles off. In case it falls over, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it crush me and call 911. We're gonna take this knuckle off. Now we got what, 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's 2 bolts on, but basically three bolts holding it on. Now we can just frame up off of it. Alright guys, so we got the engine off, out of the frame, and still wired up, so we're all good there. I just need to know what you guys want me to put it on. What I've been thinking about is buying a go-kart or something kind of like a E-Tar Adventure. They went and got that Redbeard kart that burned down, and they put that snowmobile engine on there. So that's kind of what I'm going to be looking for. If I can find a Razor frame that's been wrecked or burnt or something, that would be nice. I would love to have that, but that's what I'm going to be looking for. I really would like a Razor frame. but those things are expensive, so I know how it is looking for something like that. It's gonna be hard, but hopefully I can find one. If not, we'll put it on we'll find a big go-kart frame to put it on, or heck, I might even get a tubing bender and just build my own frame if I can't find one. So who knows what's gonna happen in the future. Just leave me some comments down below of what you would like to see me put this motor on. Let me know what you think about this engine. You think I got a pretty good deal for $100, or if not, tell me. So I'm excited for the build. Can't wait for it to get done. This motor sounds wicked anyway, so whatever it goes on, I know it's gonna be fun, fast. It's gonna be a party, son. It's bad to the bone. She's nasty. Make sure you all hit that like button if you like this video. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button and tell me why in the comments. Almost 200 subscribers, so if you could help me out, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna go rest. Pulling this motor out was quite a chore. I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Like, comment, subscribe, and you all have a good day.
Go.